Why do most programmers prefer JavaScript over C? Let's find out in this video. JavaScript is considered an easier language to learn compared to C. It has a simpler syntax that is more similar to the English language, making it more accessible to beginners. C, on the other hand, is a low-level language that is closer to machine language. It has a steeper learning curve, but it is also more efficient and powerful. Most programmers start their careers by learning JavaScript because it is easier to get up and running with. They can quickly build projects and see results, which keeps them motivated. As they progress in their careers, many of them want to learn a lower-level language like C for its efficiency and power. However, they find it difficult to transition because they are used to the higher-level abstractions provided by JavaScript. Many languages provide high-level abstractions to make programming easier. For example, Python is known for its readability and ease of use. However, these languages are often slower and less efficient than C. Java is a good example of a language that is both easy to learn and run on any platform. However, it is also much slower than C. There is a common misconception that C is a very difficult language to learn. While it is true that C has a steeper learning curve than JavaScript, it is not necessarily more difficult. It just requires a different way of thinking. C is a static language, which means that the code must be compiled before it can be run. This allows the compiler to check for errors before runtime. Dynamic languages, on the other hand, like JavaScript, allow for more flexibility at runtime. This can make development faster, but it also means that errors can occur at runtime. C is a subset of C, which means that C code can be compiled into machine code that can run on any architecture. This makes C very efficient and powerful, but it also makes it more difficult to learn. C, on the other hand, is a high-level language, which means that the code is more abstract and closer to natural language. This makes it easier to learn, but it also means that it is less efficient. In summary, JavaScript is a high-level language that is easier to learn than C. It is also a dynamic language, which means that it is more flexible at runtime. C is a low-level language that is closer to machine language. It is more difficult to learn, but it is also more efficient and powerful. Many languages offer a balance between the two, such as C, which is a subset of C. Ultimately, the best language to learn depends on the individual programmer's needs and goals. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Thank you for watching.